this journey. What are we saying? Making excuses, no. Tell all the people we know we're getting ready to go. It's time. Life is passing by. Any, mini, money, mo. Pick a place and there we'll go. Work this jungle like a pro and learn to laugh.
Hey, gingerbread and jelly bean, what's up? Hold on, give me a minute. Let me fix this. Alright, it's fixed. How's everybody doing? Well, it seems like my screen has been fogged up. Eating lollipop because we don't lick things. We don't lick things, alright? Eat lollipop. We consume food. You understand? We eat banana, we don't bite banana. But anyway, hope you guys doing alright. Well, today's Monday. I'm feeling alright. Feeling good so far. Things looking nice so far in 2016 for me, which is good. So I want to get back into that happy place where and put some more of my funny mini clips out so you guys can enjoy that. But right now I'm heading home to get showered, take grandma to work, and then go to school and see what's going on at school. Because I don't go to school to learn, I go to school to work. Alright? There's no learning taking place at school. If you go to school, you go to work, not learn. Don't get it confused, alright? The camera just take a decent dive. I want to do a social experiment where focus would be people using too much social media, or the effect that social media has on this generation now. People just glued to their phones nowadays. Even when you're at school, people glued to their phone. People don't socialize. In other countries, people do socialize, especially in the Caribbean. We do socialize, so I'm used to that. So I want to go around and ask people the reason why they don't socialize and hear their response and let you guys hear what is what. So ooh, that pretty girl. I'll catch you guys later. Hey guys, so I'm back at school right now. Have you ever been in a situation where you went somewhere and you saw someone, but because you're so shy, you don't know how to approach them or talk to them, and then you miss that opportunity to talk to the person, and then you're mad afterwards? Like, you just mad at yourself because you didn't even try. You know that feeling? That's the feeling I'm having right now. So I give myself a 0 out of 10 for attempt or even effort. So E for effort. That's pretty much it. Well, yeah, life goes on. It is what it is. So I'm at school right now, and I'm going to work. Not learn, just work. Catch you guys later. So, in black people issue, I don't know if you can see it, but my hand is ashy.
No,
it's all ashy. See? Look, it's ashy. And then Vonnie is telling me that I'm the only one that see it. No, this is black people issue.
No, it's
and
not.
Everyone is looking at the ash. So I'm going for the lotion in the car because I leave lotion in the car. I look handsome, you know.
At least
Alright,
you have
so
the confidence. You're not gonna leave me with your
Go
camera.
on, talk.
You're not gonna leave me.
Go on, talk to them. Video those lovers over there.
No.
You can just press pause when you're finished. But
Okay.
like here, so where that screen cut off, that's the entire vlog. So if your head is not in like here, yeah,
So-
won't be in the vlogs. You have to get
So
it
am I
from
not
that.
in the vlog or am I in the vlog?
Yeah, you're in the vlog now, but if your head like anything drops outside this frame here, you won't be in the vlog.
Okay. Got it.
Something.
And so.
Let's talk to speak some Spanish. Like a couple of our friends here, what's her name? Erica. She likes you. She always comment on the video. She leave comment for you under the video.
Really?
Yeah. All my subscribers leaving messages to you.
I have to see them.
Yeah,
I haven't been on it.
Talk to her. Talk to them in Spanish. Just say some Spanish stuff. Say hello.
But I can't do it without you. Oh my gosh.
He's like a gentleman. You see, he opens door for her.
I know. Yeah, I seen him.
Chairs. Money's just looking into the
I don't want to do it.
Teach me something in Spanish,
Like what would you want
I told him earlier I was going to like do like a social experiment. That's why people sit alone.
Say white people?
No, why?
Oh my god.
Money's over there. So I was like, yeah, I told him that I'm going to do like a social experiment, like why people like sit alone and stuff like that, because it's antisocial, like being like that. Because
Yeah.
my friends and I, we reason, and then you have people that like sit alone and they're in their phones. So the social media like getting the better of people nowadays. And I just wanted to like talk about that and hear what like people have to say. So I know it's like 15 minutes, although it's
You want to
Yeah, we
pause
have
it
time.
while you get your lotion?
yeah, I'm gonna pause it while I get a lotion. So no, it's not weird. Alright, so I'm back right now and I'm going to introduce these two lovely people.
They're cute.
They're couples, newlyweds and stuff.
Okay, don't
How's
be
it?
exaggerating.
So here they are. Yes. So I want to know, like, what do you think about people nowadays that isolate themselves? Like here at school, where you have people just sitting down by themselves in the cell phone. Social media and the effect that it has on young people nowadays. Do you think social media has benefited young people, or do you think that social media is making people antisocial?
That's like a way more complicated question than I
No, it's like, is it beneficial or is it making people more antisocial?
I think both.
Yeah, I was about to say
It's both?
Yeah. But why is it both?
Because people that isolate themselves, they don't really talk to people. So
Yeah,
when they're
'cause
on
everybody's
social,
on Facebook,
no. So
Instagram.
when they're on social media, what are they doing on social media?
Okay, in the shot. So that's your take on it. The people, yeah. I lost track of that. I lost
Where's mine?
track of that. But yeah, moving further. Your turn. So
No.
what's your take? Vonnie, you want to go? All right. No, it's recording.
All right, bye people.
All right. So here we go. Nice. I like that view.
Now I look too
So-
light. I hate not having color.
Oh, wait, here? Here comes?
Just no me. I'm so
What?
light skinned. I hate
Oh,
it.
well, because it shows me up, me being black?
No,
it's
I'm
good.
saying me
You
for
don't
being a
like-
Mexican.
You don't like being Mexican?
No, I do, but Mexicans are usually dark. I'm not.
No, all Mexicans are.
No.
Well, I shouldn't say all. Like 90% of Mexicans are
They're like caramel
light skin or caramel.
Yeah, I'm.
Well, that's understandable. But you're caramel.
I have no color in me.
You have no color in you? Oh wow, she has no color in her. So
I'm pale.
people in our generation know they want a mixture of the melanin. They want little of this chocolate in them, which is good.
Yes.
Diversity is really, really nice. So I commend Vonnie for that. So Vonnie, what's your take on social media? Do you think social media push people apart, make them
Yeah.
antisocial? No.
Yes, a lot more, because a lot of people feel more comfortable being on Facebook and talking to people behind screens than actually face to face. So that's why they sit by themselves and rather talk to someone, texting them, Facebooking, all that stuff.
Okay, so basically it makes them out of touch with reality in a sense.
They're just more on the internet, social.
Well, that makes a lot of sense because that's the same view I have, and I try my best to like reach out to people on a day-to-day basis. You know, here at school, you know, in public, and talk to people and try to get away from my phone so much because now I'm creating content for people. So you know, apart from me being social on the internet, I still want to interact with people, you know, on a face-to-face basis like this, and it helps to build your character as a person.
Yep.
It allows you to be more of a person and not just a machine where, you know, you're always in this virtual
Yeah.
reality,
And
you
I
know.
agree with you.
So, you know, apart from people being busy with work and, you know, taking care of stuff, you know, the ability to have friends and group settings, that's really, really nice. So I really enjoy those kind of things. So
And if you notice, it even affects people in relationships too.
Yeah.
Instead of them fixing their problems in person, they're texting each other.
yeah, that's
or they're
true.
on the phone.
That's a very good point. So, you know, our advice is try to be in tune with reality to an extent where you balance it out. So you're not just always video calling your partner or messaging your partner. Try to have a one-on-one conversation
Actually
where you sit
interact in
down,
person.
interact. Because when you interact with somebody, you actually get that expression, you get that feedback right there. It's like an instant messenger, then, you know, so that interaction right there and then is better than texting someone and arguing with someone because it's better, you know, to know what people, you know, how they feel, how they react to certain stuff.
You can
But-
see their actual emotions
so
on their face.
texting someone, you know, you don't get that kind of feedback. So that will help you, you know, as a person. So my advice is try to be social, try to interact with people more on a day-to-day basis. Just make that a goal, set that as a goal for yourself. Because I'm trying to do that. I'm here with Vonnie most times. I'm here with other people. And I try to interact and meet new people, you know, and network more. So, you know, friendship is good. You know, building bonds with people, it's good. So, you know, implore you guys to do that. So, yeah, I think that's a good message for them,
It
right?
is.
That's a good message for them. So, JVLOGS, another vlog, successful vlog. You know, I made it again. So, you guys just leave a comment below how you feel about the topic. You know what is your take on it. Leave a message from Vonnie, as you guys always do. Always leave a message from Vonnie and stuff and all that. So I really like that, you know. You guys really into Vonnie and Erica
Yeah, and
as
I
well.
appreciate it.
Say something for them in Spanish. Give them like that. Spanish,
what?
chiquitita. Give them like
Chiquitita,
that.
little girl?
Yeah, little girl. Yeah. And chiquitito, little boy.
Little boy.
Yeah, my friend always come with that chiquitita. Like, oh God.
Yeah.
But yeah, give them some Spanish. Say
What would you like for me to say?
anything.
Like
Adios. Say subscribe to JVLOGS.
Suscribe a su video, pone que si les gusta, comenten su video.
Oh my God!
Subscribe, like, and share.
So thanks very much. Again, JVLOGS. We're old people.
Bye.